Did you grow a tail?
Is there a tail?
Captain! What a delight, and so soon. Lucky me.
What are you doing down here?
Oh, just visiting my leprechaun friends.
You don't have friends, Bob.
They've scanned the crime scene, Captain, and found no bad luck specks.
Scan it again. One speck can deluckify an entire pile of lucky pennies.
Let's get out of here.
Really no other place to get a penny.
No!
What about the ones like Bob's that go missing in the human world? If they're so valuable, why don't you go retrieve them?
Oh, we do.
We do?
Well, we used to, but not one has been lost since the captain took over security. The old days, if a travel penny went missing in the human world, we'd send in the bunny drone.
Bunny drone?
Yeah, clever little robot. They keep it at arrivals and departures.
So let's go get it.
Okay, but it hasn't been used in a decade, so first we'll have to grab a good luck crystal to power it.
And where do we get one of those?
The luck floor.
Whoa, hold up a minute.
I'll head to arrivals and departures and fire up the bunny drone, while you two sneak into mission control.
Wait, why?
That's where they keep the joystick that controls the drone.
Great, but crystal first. So luck floor, here we come.
Oh, but the crystals are up high. We'll need someone tall to reach it.
I'm tall.
Not a chance. She's way too unlucky.
It's true.
Oh, she only has to grab one. I think she can do it.
Oh, fine. I mean, what could go wrong?
That's the spirit, boss.
Sounds like our little deal is back on, Bob.
Yes, and then you'll leave.
True to my word. So where do we get the luck crystal?
We'll just walk down the hall and snag one. Piece of cake.